This pipe coming in here is at an odd angle from this one, so I can't use a straight repair coupler here, and it's not the right angle for a 45-degree angle fitting either. Okay, a customer called, said that their lawn pop-ups were not popping up. So I came out and we did a lot of troubleshooting, which I won't go into here, but we finally ended up finding, he says, I hear water is over here. So we found water flowing down this hillside here. This is pretty steep here. And the water was flowing down, so he ended up, after I left, he traced the water flow through here, had to cut out part of this hedge, and found this here was all squishy right here, and dug down and found that this elbow was busted. So if you can see here, this connection, this pipe coming in here is at an odd angle from this one, so I can't use a straight repair coupler here, and it's not the right angle for a 45-degree angle fitting either. So I went and purchased one of these flexible repair couplers from Dura, and you can see it flexes. This is not intended for a main line. You cannot use it with something that's going to have water flowing through it at all times. It can't be under pressure all the time, but we can use it on a lateral like this. So I cut this section out, and I'll just glue it on here, and then turn the corner and glue it on back here. As you can see, this can be a very versatile problem solver. It's available on 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. They are 18 total inches long from end to end. Dura is the company that brought you the quick cutter. As mentioned earlier, it's not for use on main lines, meaning it can't handle being under constant water pressure 24/7. It's only for laterals. It's not intended for hot water applications, but can be used for drinking water. I hope that was helpful, and if you just need a straight fix repair fitting, watch my short video about slip fixes. You can get these through my resources site linked below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.